Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through the interest conversion worksheet of the BA2 Plus calculator. The interest conversion worksheet is used to convert between the nominal interest rate and the effective interest rate, or to convert between two different nominal interest rates. Let's take a look at the interest conversion worksheet of the calculator. The worksheet can be activated by pressing the second key and then the number 2. The worksheet is denoted by ICONV, the second function of the number 2. There are 3 variables. The first one is the variable NOM, denote the nominal rate. And then the second one is EFF, the annual effective rate. And then the third variable, CY, corresponds to the compounding periods per year. So if the interest rate is compounded monthly, then CY equals 12. If the interest rate is compounded quarterly, then CY equals 4. Let's take a look at a series of examples. If your investment earns 5.25% compounded monthly, what is the effective rate of interest? The variable NOM, the nominal rate is 5.25. So we key in 5.25 for the variable NOM. And then we need to compute the effective rate. The value of CY, the interest rate is compounded monthly. So CY equals 12, the number of compounding period in a year. Then we can activate the worksheet by pressing the second key and then the number 2. Clear previous work if necessary by pressing the second key and clear work. Then we can key in the value for NOM, 5.25. So we key in 5.25 and then press enter. Press the down arrow, you get to the variable EFF. We need to compute it. So we press the down arrow the second time to enter the value for CY. So CY equals 12. Enter. Then we can press the up or the down arrow key to get back to EFF. Here I can press the up arrow key and directly get back to the variable EFF. Press the CPT, and then we get the answer. An interest rate of 5.25% compounded monthly is equivalent to an effective rate 5.3782%. Let's take a look at the next example. The effective interest rate is 13.5%. What is the corresponding interest rate compounded quarterly? This example provides the effective rate, and we need to convert it into a nominal rate, which is compounded quarterly. We need to compute the variable NOM. The effective rate is 13.5. The value for CY, the interest rate is compounded quarterly, so CY equals 4. Activate the interest conversion worksheet and key in the effective interest rate. The variable EFF is 13.5. Press enter. And then press the down arrow key to get to the variable CY. CY equals 4. Not to forget to press the enter key to input the variable. And then we can get back to the variable NOM. Press the CPT button, and we get the corresponding nominal rate. The nominal rate is 12.8658% compound quarterly. Let's take a look at the next example. What nominal interest rate compounded semi-annually is equivalent to 6.28% compounded monthly? In this example, we are asked to convert between two different nominal interest rates. So we need an additional step as compared with converting nominal rate and effective rate. In this example, we will use the given nominal interest rate, the 6.28% compounded monthly, convert to an effective rate first, and then convert to the nominal interest rate that is compounded semi-annually. Key in the given nominal interest rate, 6.28%, and then convert this to an effective interest rate, CY equals 12, because this nominal interest rate is compounded monthly. Find the effective interest rate using the calculator. The nominal interest rate, 6.28. Press enter. And then CY equals 12. So enter the value for CY, 12. Enter. Get back to the variable EFF. Compute this to get the effective rate of 6.4640%. And we will use this value to convert to the nominal interest rate compounded semi-annually, which is asked in the question. So we have the effective interest rate, 6.463950. We don't need to re-enter this again. This is already saved in the calculator. We need to compute the corresponding nominal rate compounded semi-annually. So CY equals 2. Press the down arrow key to get to CY, enter 2, and then press the enter key. Get back to the variable NOM. Compute this variable. And then we get the answer. The nominal interest rate of 6.28% compounded monthly is equivalent to a nominal interest rate of 6.3627% compounded semi-annually. Let's take a look at the next example. What nominal interest rate compounded quarterly is equivalent to 9.55% compounded semi-annually? Let's repeat the procedure again. The given nominal rate is 9.55%. Convert this into the effective rate first. The value for CY is 2. Let's get the effective rate. The variable NOM, 9.55. Press enter. And then key in the value for CY, which is 2. Compute the variable EFF, the effective rate. We get 9.778%. With this effective rate, convert to the nominal interest rate compounded quarterly. So we already get the effective rate. We need to get the nominal interest rate with CY equals 4, compounded quarterly. Key in the value for CY into the calculator, which is 4. And then we can compute the variable NOM. And we get the answer. The nominal interest rate, 9.55% compounded semi-annually, is equivalent to the interest rate 9.4386% compounded quarterly. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.